Hello and welcome to my Inaturalist on my lawn. Just gonna go over a few things in this presentation that I found in my backyard. Created a chart here. I'm gonna show you. Bam! Got my vertebrae, invertebrate, angiosperm. I could not find gymnosperms, no matter how hard I looked. I didn't have any pine trees or any sort of pine plants, unfortunately. But I did find fungi, so it's gonna take its place, substitute it. So first we got the human or Homo sapien, of course. Just scanned my mom to find this. I'll show you the picture in just a second. As well as my dog, domestic. She's cute. Her name's Maggie. So the kingdom Homo sapien, human, vertebrate. We got kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, and class Mammalia. And then for domestic dog, it's going to be pretty similar, of course, because we're so genetically similar, vertebrates. Kingdom Mammalia, phylum Chordata, and then our class the same, Mammalia. For invertebrates, I ran across a jumping spider that was kind of sadly trapped in our greenhouse, in between the walls. About to show you that picture, but it's pretty sad. Same as the wasp, trapped in between the walls, so I just took the picture and ran away. Kingdom Mammalia for that jumping spider, the genus Phoedipus. Arthropoda for phylum, and then class Arachnida. And then another vertebrate, our wasp, kingdom Animalia, Arthropoda phylum, and then class Insecta. And then for the angiosperms, oh, I almost forgot the the crazy one I ran across, an invertebrate, the tent caterpillar moth. Yeah, this one was just strung up on the tree. I just picked it up and landed on the ground, took a picture, and just kept walking away. Felt bad. All his progress gone. Kingdom Mammalia, phylum Arthropoda, and then class Insecta again. Pretty similar. Got my 4 angiosperms. Prickly pears of the cactus. Either or. Genus Opuntia. Kingdom Plantae. Tracheophyta for the phylum, of course, and then class Magnoliopsida. Can't say that 5 times fast. I can't. For my next angiosperm, peach. We have a peach tree. I haven't been producing too many peaches. I saw some that were blossoming out and filling up, but not ready to eat too ripe. But maybe around summer they'll start coming out like they did before. We also have a plum tree as well. I just didn't include that. Kingdom Plantae. Phylum is Tracheophyta. And the same thing, the hard word to say, so I'm not going to say it again. Angiosperm. The mistletoes, I always thought these were fungi, but they came out as angiosperms, so that surprised me because they're super parasitic. But of course, you know, fungi are known for breaking down, decomposing, so mistletoes don't really do that. They just sit there and be a parasite on the tree. Kind of just uses its nutrients. Kingdom Plantae, and then same thing for the phylum and class. And the Chinese Arbor Vitae, or Viti, as well as same thing, but except for the class is Pinospida. So it's kind of pine tree-ish, but still came out as angiosperm. So pretty surprising. I thought that was going to be my gymnosperm, but it did not come out. And then my 2 fungi I found. The higher Ascomacytes, or Ascomycota for the phylum. And then kingdom fungi. They did not have classes, unfortunately. Common lichens, same thing, fungi and Ascomycota. And those are my two fungi that came out. I will show you now the pictures of everything I found. There's my puppy, Maggie. So adorable. It's a German Shepherd mixed with a lab, I believe. I forgot, but the German Shepherd mom was pretty full bred. There's my mother, Homo sapien. Alrighty. Move right over here. The mistletoe is on the very left. The mid left is going to be the cactus. The middle right is our pears. Or I mean peach. Sorry, completely went overboard there. And then the Chinese arbor vitae is on the very right. And here's my little insects, my little critters. Got the caterpillar on the left there. I just set him on the ground. Middle is the wasp. Yeah, he's long gone. I kind of just snapped a photo and let him rest. And then jumping spider on the right, also trapped. For his impending doom, we got the fungi over here. On the left is the bark I found. That's going to be, let me scroll back up here. Yes, the higher Ascomycetes. And then, of course, the lichens on the right. Just growing on some manure my grandma has for her little greenhouse. But that's going to do it. It's my Inaturalist. It's a very fun app it caught everything pretty fast. And I was amazed how well it worked because it just guessed everything my grandma was telling me. And I was like, wow, this is crazy. But I definitely recommend it to anyone who's trying to find out around the U.S. or where to find different plants. Heard a story about a kid finding a very invasive species of beetle, and because he found it on iNaturalist, they were able to come in and, I guess, help get rid of it, but definitely helps out a lot with spotting species of maybe endangered or lost species that no one really can find, but now with this it pins them down if you want it. So a little sponsor right there, free sponsor. But anyways, thank you for listening, and goodbye.